BOSCH Exterior Self-Leveling Rotary Laser Complete Kit with Receiver, Tripod, Grade Rod, and Hard Case. Simple one-button operation. Everything you need to begin leveling right out of the box. Since the introduction of the first BOSCH measuring tool, BOSCH has become a worldwide leader in measurement technology through innovation and advanced engineering. The same quality, durability, and forward-thinking found in BOSCH power tools are now offered in a complete line of measuring tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. With BOSCH laser technology, users can become more productive and more profitable with great accuracy and precision on the job site by offering an extensive range of line lasers, laser distance measurers, rotary lasers, point lasers, digital levels, optical levels, and measuring tool accessories. BOSCH can provide solutions for a wide variety of applications. With BOSCH measuring tools, users can work smarter, not harder. Material: durable plastic with overmold in key impact areas. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accuracy. BOSCH patented a dual laser system with horizontal lasers for use together or individually for both indoor and outdoor applications. Long working range of 1,300 feet, with accuracy up to plus 3/32 seconds at 100 feet. Number 2. Self-leveling. Includes Smart Pendulum System that allows laser tool to self-level while also indicating out-of-level condition to help ensure accurate measuring. Manual mode locks laser lines at any angle. Number 3. Convenient. Featuring the BOSCH patented motorized microfine plumb alignment which allows left, right beam adjustment without having to relocate the unit. Number 4. Durable. The BOSCH is IP56 certified and provides a robust design with a glass enclosed cage for upgraded protection ensuring years of dependable operation. Includes 2 large, easy-to-grip carrying handles. Number 5. Versatile. Provides laser beam customization up to 6 lengths and 3 rotation speeds including 350, 600, and 1,200 RPM settings for application and lighting conditions. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What length is the grade rod? Answer: the grade rod that is included with this BOSCH is 8 feet. Question number 2. Does this laser have multiple rotor speeds? Answer: this rotary laser has a single speed of 600 revolutions per minute. Question number 3. Does it come with the receiver holder that connects with the rod? Answer: BOSCH will include the receiver and mounting bracket. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.